Hey, I'm Nicole. Cooking is my happy place, so having the right range matters. Samsung's new gas lineup has some awesome upgrades, and I'll be your guide as we break down what each model brings to the table. The 8100 in all models features 6 cubic feet of capacity, room for plenty from hosting to everyday meals. Each model has self-cleaning to make cleanup a breeze and are Wi-Fi enabled. Getting started is easy. Download the Samsung SmartThings app where you can monitor cooking and adjust oven settings right from your smartphone. I love trying new recipes, so it's great to have SmartThings food for personalized ideas based on my taste. The 70H and up models feature pro-style design. So what's new? More exposed stainless steel for a premium look with bold knobs and a solid handle that really elevate the feel. Plus, the precision knobs lock in place when not in use, adding both style and peace of mind. Inside, you get Air Fry Max, so you can skip another appliance on your counter. I love using Air Fry for crispy golden results, whether it's quick meals, leftovers, or even takeout that's lost its heat on the way home. The 80H offers the most finish options, so it's easy to match your space. It's equipped with true convection for faster, even results, plus air sous vide to cook low and slow and lock in flavor and moisture. It's perfect for everything from meat to veggies, and having this feature would make me feel like a real professional chef. On the top right, it has a dual burner that goes up to 18,000 BTU. The center ring burner will allow you to heat more evenly, from boiling water quickly to searing meat and stir fry at higher temps. Or you can turn it down for a gentle heat that's perfect for melting or simmering. I love this feature for making jams and desserts. The 90H steps up to a powerful 23,000 BTU burner, giving you the flexibility for everything from a gentle simmer to high heat for larger pots and pans. It also features a soft closed door, so it shuts smoothly and quietly. It really adds that high-end feel. At the top of the lineup, we have the 8550 with illuminated precision knobs. You'll know when the cooktop is on. And it has Flex Duo, which is actually my favorite feature. It has a removable divider, so you can have a double oven without losing out on space when you need it. Think about how much easier it will be to prep for a holiday meal. Put a turkey in one and bake dinner rolls up top. The last thing that really stands out is the LCD Smart Dial. It's simple to use, easy to navigate, and it helps you get cooking faster with the control you need. From quick meals to gourmet creations, Samsung's gas ranges offer a perfect match for any kitchen. Visit bestbuy.com or download our app to see which stores have these models on display near you.